Me and my brother now at the airport. Landing.
Came from that.
Came from over there. On the fucking airport. I don't think we're supposed to be here, but
We can go racing here.
Race our bikes here.
The trail.
I was just saying, we're on a runway. The fucking dog. You see your dog?